Hey fam, so in this video I'm going to share with you how you can start affiliate marketing as a broke beginner. And the good thing about this is that you can use the very method I'm going to share with you in this video with any other affiliate program. And this very method doesn't require you to invest anything, and you can do it from both a mobile device or your laptop. Now, just a quick disclaimer, even though I can guarantee you that this method will actually produce results for those of you that are actually going to watch this entire video and implement everything that I'm going to show, the method does have its own drawbacks. The biggest drawback of this particular method is that it requires you to exercise maximum patience, and also it's a bit boring. However, for those of you that are going to put into practice what I'm going to show you in this video, I can assure you, you will get results sooner or later. Now, let me just show you an example of the results I got using this particular method. Here is a program or a tool known as Prom AI. Let me just go right ahead and click right here where it says affiliate. If I click right here, I want to show you the results I was able to get and why I'm saying this particular method requires a bit of patience. So right here you can see that even today's date, you can see that I've already had 3 visitors to my affiliate link, and already 2 people registered. They haven't yet signed up for the paid plan. So you can see that the entire January right here, every day I'm getting people sign up. You can see right here the 2, 1, 1. So far I haven't made any amount in January, and that's why I'm saying it requires you to have patience, because one of the requirements with this method is that the affiliate program you're going to promote must be a lifetime affiliate program. As long as that person continues giving the platform money, you also get money. Now let me show you the total number of people that have actually signed up under my affiliate link, and these people, when they turn to paid members, I'll get the credit for the amounts they spend. Now here under the referral section, you can see that 101 people have actually joined this platform, registered with the platform using my affiliate link. So these people, if any of them decides to upgrade to a paid plan, I'll start receiving commissions. Now it has only been, I think, a month or 2 months, and so far none of them has actually upgraded. However, I'm certain that I will start getting paid sooner or later. That's why I'm saying this method requires a bit of patience. Now let's say if you want quick results, you can use this particular method with what we call CPA, that is cost per action, whereby when you refer someone to the program, if let's say they sign up for the program, you get paid instantly and you won't be paid in the future. You only get paid there and then, and that's it. I prefer going with a recurring one as it is a long-term game. So let's just go right ahead and go now to keto.com. Now Keto is basically similar to Canva. With Keto you can create a lot of different graphic designs. So basically this method isn't complicated at all. It's happening is that when, let's say, you come to Keto, what we're going to do, we are going to create a design. Now that design, when we create it, we are going to start sharing it with people who actually need that same design we create. The design we're going to create will not be just any normal design. We're going to create a design that is editable. We're going to create a template. Then when we create that template, we're going to share that template for free. Make sure that the template can only be used or edited with the tool you are actually promoting as an affiliate. Now the other thing I recommend before you actually start sharing any templates or promoting, let's say, Keto, before you actually do anything, you have to get approved for the affiliate program. Now just in case there's someone who doesn't know what affiliate marketing is simply a way for you to partner up with a vendor or someone who's selling something online or maybe offline. When you actually partner up with them, they'll give you a link which they'll be using to track whatever traffic you're going to send to them. By traffic, we simply mean the audience or people you're going to send to the platform. And each and every time someone actually buys something or spends money on that program you are promoting, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You're simply promoting other people's products in exchange for a commission. To sign up for Keto affiliate program, you can see right here at the bottom, it's not very visible, but almost any website you find the affiliate program at the bottom of the page. With Keto, we have the opportunity to earn up to $72 with each and every new referral or subscriber that actually signs up for the program. Now imagine if, let's say, you refer 100 people to Keto within 90 days, and of those 100 people, 10 of them subscribe to the paid yearly plan. You will have earned $720 for your work. And of course, it's not a guarantee, but this is a possibility that you can achieve. So make sure you just sign up. You click right here to sign up. Join now. Now, Kito's affiliate program is hosted on an affiliate network known as Impact. Affiliate networks are simply networks or websites where you can find a lot of different affiliate programs or different companies that are looking for affiliates. And Kito is one of those companies that hosts its affiliate program on the Impact network. So all you have to do, let's say if you are new to Kito, you click right here where it says sign up. It's showing that 5 minutes to complete, but I can assure you it takes even less than 5 minutes to complete. So when you click on sign up right here, the first thing you'll be required to do is to actually read the terms and conditions, and of course you have to accept the terms and conditions. If you don't accept the terms and conditions, definitely you won't get paid. So the credit policy is the last click. What they simply mean right here is, let's say, since for example the people who are watching this video, it's a lot of you. So if let's say I am promoting Kito and the person, let's say one person clicks my affiliate link, when they click my affiliate link, let's say they don't sign up to Kito, then again they go to YouTube, maybe they go on Facebook, they come across your affiliate link promoting Kito as well, they click your affiliate link and they sign up. Since that person signed up using your affiliate link, you were the last person who gave that person the affiliate link, and after they clicked yours, they actually signed up. Despite my link was the first link they clicked, the person will be under you, so meaning that you'll be the one getting the credit for that. Now when we look at the amount you're going to earn for every person you refer to the platform, you can see right here that per subscription will pay you 20%. Now meaning that whatever amount the person you've referred to Kito will spend on the platform, you're going to be getting 20% of it. So if they spend, let's say $1,000, you will actually get $200 into your account if they spend that amount on Kito, so long they actually are under your affiliate link. So I'm just going to click right here where it says accept terms. Then here you have to choose how you're going to sign up. You can sign up with your Facebook account, your Apple account, your Google account, X, LinkedIn, and the likes, or you can simply choose to sign up with your email. So if I click right here where it says sign up with email, I'm going to be required to enter my first name, last name, username, email address, password, and the likes. Once you enter all the required details, you will be required to verify your mobile number. So make sure that the mobile number you use is one you have access to. If you've traveled, make sure you use the mobile number you are currently using. So the next thing you'll be required to answer in what category they should put you in. Now here you can see how would you categorize your business. By business simply meaning who you are. So in this case, let's say how you'll be promoting the Kito affiliate programs. Most of us right here will be using social media. You're just going to click on social influencer. Then next they're asking us which method do you use to promote. Choose all that apply. So in this case, if let's say you have a website, you're going to add your website right here. So for demonstration, I'm going to, let's say, maybe go with LinkedIn, or maybe let's just go with YouTube. I'll go with YouTube. It's up to you, whichever you want to go with. I'm just going to stick with YouTube, then we'll proceed from there. So you can see that my YouTube account has actually been linked. Then next you'll be required to tell the platform about yourself. So in this case, I'm an individual. I'm just going to choose individual right here. Then account display name, this is the username. It's up to you, whichever you want to choose. I'm just going to choose my name. Then here, country, region, you just need to choose your country. Impact supports every country around the world, so you can see every country. You almost find any country right here. You can even leave it as it is. If you have, let's say, a US mail address, you can use your US mail address right here. Then here where it says time zone, you choose the time zone that is applicable to you. Then the other important thing right here is the currency. Now if you remember, those of you who watched this video right here, you would notice that the currency was not in USD, and the reason being is because that account, when I was creating it, I actually chose a different currency right here. And the problem with that is that Impact does not allow you to change the currency later on. So ensure that the currency you choose, and the currency you choose will also affect the payout options. So let's say you want to get paid using maybe PayPal, you want to get paid using a US bank account and the likes, you have to choose USD. If you want to get paid maybe using Euro and the likes, you would maybe have to choose the Euro right here or the British pound. If you want to be paid via your local bank, you choose your local currency. The only downside is that if, let's say, you make a sale, the amount will automatically be converted into your local currency. And even if, let's say, there is a fluctuation in the dollar, because they, like for example, Keto will pay you in USD, but Impact will convert it to your local currency, and that's the amount will be sent. And most of the times when you use your own local currency, you only be paid via your local bank account. So I advise you just to leave it at USD. It's the one that will not give you a lot of challenges. You can still send USD to your local bank account. So once you're done with that, your account has been created, and Impact will ask you to join the marketplace. Now I advise you not to rush to apply to the marketplace when you just created your account. So what you're going just to do is click return to account. The reason why you don't want to rush to join the marketplace is because Impact tends to decline you joining the marketplace when the account is new. So I'm just going to click right here where it says return to account, and what you notice is that the application for Keto has been automatically sent. So all we have to do now is to wait for Keto to approve our account, and once it's approved, that's when now you can proceed to actually start promoting that product. This is my biggest advice to you: don't start promoting an affiliate program without actually getting approved for the affiliate. If, let's say, Keto does not approve your affiliate application, what you can do is simply go back to Keto and find their affiliate support email. You can even contact support on their website and simply explain to them how you plan on promoting the program, like you'll be sharing templates. You can just explain the entire method that I'm going to show you in this video, or if you want, you can say, no, I plan to create a YouTube channel dedicated to showing how Keto works, and I just need to make sure that before I start promoting it, I can actually make money with the affiliate program. That's why you are applying before actually having the content. They will approve you that way. All right, so once, let's say, you are approved, you now come back to Keto, and now you are able to start creating. What we're going to do is just click right here where it says new project. Now if you don't want to use a new project, you can still use maybe the templates. You can simply search for a template right here. So you can simply say storybook right here and simply click enter, and you can see some of the templates that appear right here. Now these templates, personally, I don't want to use any of them. I'm just going to create my own template from scratch. So I'm just going to use the editor right here. I prefer using inches to pixels, but it's alright, whichever you prefer is okay. Some prefer centimeters, millimeters, and the likes. I love inches, it's much better. So I'm going to change it to 8 by 8. Okay, then the resolution, I'm just going to leave it as it is and simply click create. So right here we can actually start creating our design. Now the template that I want to create, I'm thinking of having something like text right here, and somewhere here a placeholder for an image, and I can adjust it differently and the like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right here where it says elements, and right here you see what says mask. Now masks initially in Canva are the same things, you know, as frames. So they are just placeholders where you can just drag in an image and it will automatically fit into whatever shape that is there. So for example, if, let's say, I want to use this one as my actual mask, okay, so I can just simply click on it, and you can see it's added to my artboard, and I can simply enlarge it, set it up right here. Then I can simply go right ahead and add text. I just like to use add heading. All we have to do is to simply drag it maybe to the top right here. The other thing you'd want to do is to change the font. Now depending with the type of design you're creating, if, let's say, you're creating a t-shirt design, you're creating a storybook, you might use a different font. Now in this case, I'm creating a children's storybook, so I'd want, maybe instead of using Roboto, maybe I'd want to search for Comic Sans. I'm not sure if they have it, but let's just search for comic. Okay, I can't find comic, but this one, Baby World, looks nice. I think it can actually, yeah, I think it looks nice. So let's use Baby World like that. So here, add your story right here. Let's do this. We're going to maybe add a sample image right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an image with AI and add it right here for demonstration. So I'm going to use an AI known as Peak Lumen. Now don't mind the images you're seeing right here. I'm actually creating one of those videos about folk tales and the likes for Nigerian folk tales, and this is one of the images I'm creating. I'm going to create a video about this in other videos. So let's just go right ahead and here have an image for a storybook. So let's just say a goat. All right, so you can see the image has been generated. Let's just go right ahead and download it right here. Okay, once it's downloaded, I'm going to come back to Keto right here and upload it. So I just need to click right here where it says upload image, then simply choose my image right here. So you can see that the image is automatically added to our frame and it takes up the shape of the frame, or mask as Keto refers to it. You can even enlarge this, adjust it how you want. Okay, so you can see, I think the story of giver, whatever. Anyway, this looks nice. In fact, it gives us an idea of a cover image. So if, let's say, this was supposed to be our own text here, this text which is on top will come right here. So instead of having it on top, we can actually have it right here, and we can have this text right here without having this actual text that is in the background, so that someone can simply type in their own text. So for the sake of time, let's just say this is a design that we are happy with, and we know someone will be happy to use this as a design for a cover image for their book. So all we have to do now is to click right here where it says share, and here when you click on the share, you're not going to share an image, you are going to share a copy of your project. You're going to click right here, and you will see here where it says people with the link get an editable copy. You want to share an editable copy, so you're going to copy this link. Now when you copy this link, you are not going to use this link to actually give out to people out there. You're going to now have to cover this link with your affiliate links. So this is the part where you're going to go back to impact, where now you have approved for the affiliate program and you're actually going to get the affiliate link. So let me show you how you do that. Let's go right ahead and go back to impact. So I've logged into my account where I'm actually approved to promote Keto, and you can see right here there's one brand that is actually approved, and you can see here is showing the Keto as the brand. So you just need to choose Keto right here, make sure that Keto is selected on the brand option. Then here where it says landing page, you are going to come back to your Keto, and that link, that the one that you got for the template link, is the one you're going to copy. When you copy it, then inside your impact account here where it says landing page, you're going to paste that template link. Once it's pasted, you're going to click right here where it says create. Then immediately you click on create, you see a link that has been generated for you. You're going to copy this link. Now this link is the one you are going to share with your audience. If let's say you have a YouTube channel, you're going to actually tell them on YouTube that you have this template, or maybe you're going to create a tutorial showing how to create that same template and just give it out to them. Sometimes showing people how to do it and giving out the template actually makes things easier. People naturally were a bit lazy in doing things ourselves, and would just love someone who actually does the hard work and gives us the easy stuff. So immediately they get that link, they'll be taken to Keto. Now in order for them to access the template, they'll have to register on the platform. So if they register on the platform, because they are using your affiliate link and getting your template, they will be assigned under you, and regardless whether they actually upgrade their account to paid plan after a month, 2 months, 6 months, 2 years, or whatever year they decide to upgrade, as long as they signed up under your affiliate link, you will actually get the commission. It's as simple as that. That's why I just said this method is a bit boring and a bit slow, but it actually gets results, and you require to have patience. You can share this on Facebook, just a simple message like on Facebook. Let's say if you created for example, a social media template or a post to create post on Facebook, or an advertising banner, you can just simply say, ask people like, hey, I have this advertising banner that has done well for me, anyone who needs it. If they say I need that one, give them the link. They'll get it. They get it for free, and they'll just see you being helpful, and of course you are being helpful. They get that link. If they decide to actually use Keto for other things, because they'll see, oh, so Keto can be used for this, they'll decide to upgrade to the paid plan, you get paid. It's as simple as that.